Today we have learned about numbers. Numbers in zip codes, numbers in phone numbers, and numbers in addresses. Now, let's use numbers to talk about time. Please watch. It's morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 a.m. It's 8:30 in the morning. It's 8:30 a.m. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's 11 a.m. It's noon. It's 12 p.m. It's afternoon. It's 3:15 in the afternoon. It's 3:15 p.m. It's 6:30 in the evening. It's 6:30 p.m. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's 8 p.m. It's 10:45 at night. It's 10:45 p.m. It's midnight. It's 12 a.m. Okay, class, let's talk about what you do in the morning. What do you do at 6 a.m.? Wake up, eat breakfast, get in the car and drive to work, study English. Let's talk about what we do every day. Watch me do what I do. Ready? Sleep, sleep. Ding, 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 ding. Wake up! It's 6 o'clock. Stretch. It's 6:05. Get dressed. 6:15. Eat breakfast. Read the paper. It's 6:45. Brush your teeth. It's 7 o'clock. Leave for work. Okay, great. Let's practice. Is it 5 o'clock in the morning or in the evening?
In the morning.
That's right, Fareed. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We can also say it's 5 a.m. Now look at this picture. Is it noon or midnight?
Noon.
Very good. We can also say,
It's 12 p.m.
that's right, Lana. Now look at the clock in this picture. Django, is it 7:30 a.m. or 7:30 p.m.?
7:30 p.m.
Good job.
Hello?
Hi, Marcelo. What are you doing?
I'm eating breakfast.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Hello?
Hi, Marcelo. What are you doing?
I'm watching television.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Hi, Marcelo. What are you doing?
I'm brushing my teeth.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Hi, Marcelo. What are you doing?
I'm reading the newspaper.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Hi, Marcelo. What are you doing?
I'm walking in the park.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Hello?
Hi, Marcelo. What are you doing?
I'm sleeping.
Okay, bye.
Let's look at some pictures and work with the words again. It's 6 o'clock. What is Mr. Williams doing? He's waking up. It's 6:05. What is he doing? He's brushing his teeth. It's 6:10. What is he doing? He's shaving. It's 6:15. What is he doing? He's taking a shower. It's 6:30. What is he doing? He's getting dressed. It's 6:45. What is he doing? He's eating breakfast. It's 6:55. What is he doing? He's reading the newspaper. It's 7 o'clock. What is he doing? He's leaving for work.
See you tomorrow night.
Jane,
Yes,
what's your telephone number?
my telephone number is area code 310-555-8294.
310-555-8294, right?
Yes.
Can I call you?
What time?
Tomorrow night at 7 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Do you think Miguel will call Jane? Let's see.
Thank you.
Can I call, please?
Sure, no problem.
Oh no!
Is it broken? Let me see. Sorry, I'll have it fixed by tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
It's morning. Marcelo is eating breakfast. It's 8 o'clock. Now he's brushing his teeth. He's reading the newspaper. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. He's walking in the park. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He's watching television. It's night. He's sleeping.
Let's look at some pictures. Listen to what I say and answer my questions. Ready? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. She's waking up. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. He's eating breakfast. What time is it? It's 6:30 in the morning. It's 6:45 a.m. She's brushing her teeth. What time is it? It's 6:45 a.m. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. He's going to work. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's noon. She's eating lunch. What time is it? It's noon. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. He's exercising. What time is it? It's 3:30 in the afternoon. It's 5 p.m. He's coming home. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. It's 6:30 in the evening. She's eating dinner. What time is it? It's 6:30 in the evening. It's 8 p.m. She's watching television. What time is it? It's 8 p.m.
It's 6 o'clock in the evening. She's reading the newspaper. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. He's walking in the park. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Shave. 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 Take a shower. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. Leave. 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 Walk. 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 Exercise. 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 Sleep. 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 Come home. Come home. Come home.
See you tomorrow night.
Jane,
Yes.
what's your telephone number?
My telephone number is area code 310-555-8294.
310-555-8294, right?
Yes.
Can I call you?
What time?
Tomorrow night at 7 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock tomorrow night.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Can I call, please?
Sure, no problem.
Oh no.
Is it broken? Let me see. Sorry, I'll have it fixed by tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Morning, morning. Noon, noon. Afternoon, afternoon. Evening, evening. Night, night. Midnight, midnight. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2:15, 2:15. 2:15. 2:30, 2:30. 2:30. 2:45, 2:45. 2:45. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5:05, 5:05. 5:05. 5:45, 5:45. 5:45. 9:25, 9:25. 9:25. 9:10, 9:10. 9:10. 5:55, 5:55. 5:55.